And before we wrap up, we need to get you set up for tomorrow's trading session. So let's get you all the key events to watch. Rhea standing by to help us out with that list. Rhea, take it away.
Let's take a look at the key events to watch out for tomorrow. First up, we have the UK GDP data coming out. There's also the employment and GDP data in the European Union. In the US, we have the retail sales print and the manufacturing output, as well as the initial jobless claims data that will be coming out tomorrow. Fed Chairman Powell is going to speak at the Thomas Lorbach Research Conference. US President Donald Trump will be flying to meet the Abu Dhabi Prime Minister and is expected to continue his travels in the Middle East. Ukraine President Zelensky will attend peace talks in Turkey, and China is expected to reduce its bank reserve requirement ratio by 50 basis points. Back home in India, we have a lot of companies reporting their quarter 4 numbers, which include the likes of Allied Blenders and Distillers, Balrampur Chini Mills, Cochin Shipyard, Godrej Industries, IKS, ITC Hotels, JSW Energy, Keynes Technology, NCC, PB Fintech, and Signature Global as well. A lot of companies are also going to hold board meetings tomorrow to consider a fundraise, which include Allied Blenders, Godrej Industries, Omax, Tube Investments, and Wellspun Enterprises as well. Siegel India is also going to hold a board meeting to explore any investment, including the merger of Siegel Infra Projects Private Limited, which is a subsidiary of the company, with CNC Construction Limited. Another event to keep your eye out on is that the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will be meeting PSB chiefs for an annual review. So keep your eye out on all of these events for tomorrow.
Thank you so much for that, Rhea. But with that, we wrap up this edition of Markets Forward on CNBC TV 18. Thank you so much for tuning in. And after the break, we'll be back with more news and updates, so don't go anywhere.